In this lesson, we're going to go over 4 basic rules of exponents. So let's begin. Here's the first one. X to the a times x to the b is equal to x to the a plus b. So here's an example. 3 to the 4 times 3 to the 7. When the bases are the same, you can add the exponents. So this is 3 to the 4 plus 7, which is 3 to the 11. This works for variables too. Let's say if you have a to the 3rd times a to the 5th. This is a to the 3rd, or a to the 3 plus 5, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So that's the first rule. The second is when you're dividing numbers with the same base but different exponents. So x to the a divided by x to the b is x to the a minus b. It's the top exponent divided by the bottom one. So here's an example. Let's say if you have 5 to the 8 divided by 5 to the 3rd. This is going to be 5 to the 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So you get 5 to the 5th power. Let's say if you have y to the 9 over y cubed. This will be y to the 9 minus 3, which is y to the 6. Now, when you raise one exponent to another, this is going to be, you can multiply the two exponents. So this is x to the a times b. So for instance, x to the 3rd times, or raised to the 5th power, that's x to the 3 times 5, which is x to the 15. Or let's say if you have 2 to the 3rd raised to the 7th power, this is 2 raised to the 3 times 7, which is 3 times 7 is 21. So this is 2 to the 21 power. Now the fourth rule we're going to consider is when you're multiplying numbers with different bases but the same exponent. So x to the a times y to the a is x times y raised to the a. So let's say if you have 3 squared times 5 squared. This will be 3 times 5 is 15, so 15 squared. You can multiply the bases when the exponents remain the same. If this confuses you, think of it this way. What's 3 times 5? 3 times 5 is 15. But notice that the exponents are the same. They're all raised to the 1st power. Let's try another one. 4 to the 5th power times 7 to the 5th power. 4 times 7 is 28. So this is going to be 28 to the 5th power.